Hello there. I've got this question. I'd like to solve it and show you the way, one of the ways. So write a function called remove numbers less than. Given a number, an object, and our function must remove any properties whose values are numbers and less than the given number. So let's just try to solve it. So we've got this object n, we've got this call. So let's create a function which takes a number, an object, and this function, as it says in here, must remove properties whose values are numbers and less than the given and less than the given number. So it should not remove any properties which has number. It has to remove only those numbers which are less than 5, which is this should be removed, right? So the call is object and 5, so anything lower than 5 must be removed, which is this. So let's first access keys. So war key in our object. So let's access each key inside the object. It goes through A, B, C, and let's do a check. So if let's do a check if so type of object key equals let's try to find if the key's property is a number. So if the object key is a number, which says in here, remove any properties whose values are numbers less than 5, right? So if the property key is a number, and if this key less than 5, right? If it's less than 5, so we've got the condition here. Let's check if the type of object number, and if it's less than 5, that's what the requirement is, removes any properties whose values are numbers less than 5, then remove property whose values are numbers and less than given number. So if we call delete and object key, so let's log in here our object and let's return the object itself. So the answer should be this. So we are expecting the object with key A equal to A and object key C equals to Montana string. So what happens here is, for war key in object, so key is just a variable. It could be A, it could be B, it could be N or anything. We just used key. So if, let's read it, for each key in the object, do this condition. So if the condition is if the object key, which is this, it goes through A, B, C, which if the object key A is a number, and if the object key A is less than 5, then delete it. So it goes here, checks if it's number, yes it is number, true, and then it goes here, it checks if it's less than 5, no, it's 8, so it does not delete, it just returns the A8, which is here in the answer we are expecting that. Next it goes to war key in the object, which is B, key B. You know, this side is keys, this side are values. So key B checks if it's a number. Yes, the type returns the number, it's true here. And checks if the object key is less than 5. Let's see, this key has value of 2. If this is 2, then it is less than 5. So what happens then goes here, it deletes this key. So when the key is deleted, the values are deleted as well. So then it exits the object, it's nothing because this has been deleted, and it goes back to next key, war key in object, which is key C, checks if it's number. The type of object key C is not a number, so this returns false, so it doesn't go the rest, it doesn't do this, so the object gets C key, nothing is deleted, and returns the object. So when we get this, when we go to console, let's see, let's check this in the console, we should get this answer. So here we go in the console. So we've got this object and we've written this function, and this call sends number 5 and object. So our function expects number and object, and then goes through each key inside the object, checks it. Let's do the num, because we need to check, we need to receive number from here to here. So when the call is, it can be 6, it can be 9, it can be 1, it can be anything. Let's try with 5. So let's click on this, and here we go. That's the answer. That's exactly what we are expecting. Thank you for your attention. If I see any new tests, I'll solve it and then I'll send it out to YouTube. Thanks so much.